everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube paid subscription. So to start, go to youtube.com. Next, go to the left side and click on the three lines. Once you do that, you need to scroll down and under more from YouTube, tap on YouTube Premium. After that, it will bring you to this page. Now next, tap on Manage. Now under Memberships, tap on Manage Membership. Scroll down and tap on Deactivate at the right side. So before you cancel, did you know you can pause? So if you need to temporarily step away, you can pause your membership up to 6 months and you can resume it anytime. If you want to do that, tap on pause instead. If you don't want to, tap on continue to cancel. So you will lose all premium benefits if you cancel, like ad-free YouTube music, downloads, background play, ad-free YouTube, all of that. So if you understand that, click on next. Choose a reason why you want to cancel your membership, tap on it. And next, tap on cancel premium to confirm. And now your premium membership has been canceled. So benefits available until the end of billing period. So I'll refresh the page. And that's basically it. That's how you can cancel YouTube paid subscription. Thanks for watching.